Guys, let's make something delicious in the kitchen. Today we're going to make a field green salad. I know it doesn't sound crazy, but this is my favorite salad other than the arugula, walnut, blue cheese. Well, that's really good too, or goat cheese. But all right, forget that. I got to digress. Guys, before we get started, to make something molto delizioso is when you subscribe to the channel. We're going to start with 8 ounces of cleaned, obviously, field greens lettuce, which is perfect. We're going to take about 1/3 of a cup of dried cranberries, 4 ounces of a blue cheese. And you grab anything you want. We've got a gorgonzola, which is great. So I'm going to take that gorgonzola, cut it in half, and then I'm going to put it right on top. And then my pecans, I'm going to go ahead and chop those. You're going to want a rough chop on those. So cut them about by thirds-ish. I'm going to go ahead and throw those right in. Next, guys, I'm going to take a little bit of salt, probably 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give it a sprinkle. Next, I'm going to give it a couple of cranks of black pepper. I'm going to take some lemon zest, so not lemon juice. And I use the whole lemon, and you're going to get a lot of flavor from the zest. Now, on the blue cheese, guys, take a fork and just break it apart. Real gentle. You want to keep it as cold as possible, the blue cheese, till you're ready to serve it. Just spread it across a little bit. So secret ingredient, guys, we've got Joe's maple balsamic vinaigrette. We just did a video. Make sure you watch it. One of my favorite recipes. So you're just going to put a couple of tablespoons on there. I grabbed a little bit from making it earlier. Now we're going to do the toss. And it's going to be really gentle. So you're just going to give it a nice toss. Pecan, so fresh, it's flapping out of the plate here. Last little hit of some extra virgin, really good quality olive oil. We're ready to go. We're going to go ahead and plate it. Favorite time, taste time, guys. Oh, that looks good. You ready? Got to have the perfect bite. Walnuts, blue cheese. That looks absolutely perfect. One quick tip. If you're not ready to serve it, but you want to prep your lettuce, you don't want to put all the dressing on until you're ready to serve it. So a little trick you can do is put the dressing on the bottom of your salad bowl, put everything on top, and then when you're ready to serve it, then you would toss it. So that's a little quick trick I learned from my dad, but I'm going to go ahead and set this aside. Olive oil, the balsamic, it has the herbs. Oh, you guys got to check that video out. It's so good. My favorite salad. Gorgonzola, the balsamic with all the herbs, the field green, the cranberry, textural, and the flavor of the pecan. Oh man, and just enough dressing. I love that little extra splash of olive oil. One more bite, one more bite. Absolutely delicious, guys. I'll tell you what, you start your meal off with this salad, nobody's going to be disappointed. Thanks so much for joining me in my kitchen today. Make sure you hit the subscribe, notification bell, give me a thumbs up, help share our videos. Also remember, once a week, once a month, get around the table with your family and friends. You know, make stuff, talk to your parents, talk to your grandparents, shut the TV off, the computer, get away from that phone for a few minutes, you know. Spend some time with your family. You know what you're going to do? You're going to celebrate your heritage. But better than that, guys, you're going to set traditions of love. They're going to last you a lifetime. I know they did for me. Hey, guys, from my kitchen to yours, until next week, mwah, buon appetito.